YouTube. Getting myself set up so I can get this tank dropped up out of here. I'm gonna lower the tank down so I can wire it up. This is the factory wire that went to the mechanical sending unit that was in here. This powered up the fuel gauge on the dash. So I'm gonna use this as an accessory power. And then I'm gonna run my own power wire to the solenoid up front, and then this was the factory ground wire. So I'm gonna run the new ground wire. I'm gonna tap into this for accessory power, and also run another power up to the sending unit. I mean, not to the sending unit, to the relay. That's what I meant to say, my bad, to the relay up front. This is the wire harness coming off of the sending unit, the Grand National sending unit that's in here. So you have the gray and the purple is power, and then the black is ground. So yeah, man. So I'm gonna drop this tank so I can get that wired up, and also change out the fuel hose. And once I get everything down, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute. All right, stay tuned. the tank down. So now I'm gonna start pulling all this old fuel hose up out of here, so I can get the new stuff ran and put this tank back up, and I can start my wiring process. So I'm gonna set y'all up, put y'all on a little bit of a time lapse while I pull this stuff up out of here. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. All right. I got it running all through the frame. I don't know if you can see up in there, but YouTube is happening. Fading back in with you, man. Your boy 86 O's. So I got the fuel line ran, everything to the regulator. About to connect it back to the pump. I just wanted to throw y'all on, see what I got going. You see, I ran it through the frame. Zip tie it off. YouTube. Yeah, I ran it back through the frame like I had it. I'm gonna zip tie those areas off. Right now, these are my two outlets for the fuel flow and the return. So I'm gonna tap those in, and I'll be done with this part of it. Then I'll start working on the wiring part, so I can get this knocked out and out the way. All right. Alright guys, fading back in, man. We got the gas tank back up in there. So tomorrow I'll go ahead and start getting this stuff wired up and tapping it into the relay up front. And after that, man, the mother wires that I extended for the starter and all that, run them wires and shit. Just be just about ready to fire it up.